Today we are testing VidMuse, which is the sponsor of this video, an AI tool that turns your uploaded music and images into short visual videos. Perfect for creators who want to make music visuals from a simple prompt instead of filming and editing every scene manually. Let's go in. So first go on vidmuse.ai. Here I have an overview about the tool. You have the features music video and product ads. In the music video feature you can insert sooner links or upload your desired MP3 file. You can also upload images to customize your desired music video. For example, we have this prompt: create a vertical music video for an electronic pop track. Use a young creator as the main character. Bright city lights, colorful outfits, close-ups and sync to the beat. We selected the high-end visuals for official releases, the studio. You can also select the light for fast, cost-effective shorts or a custom full control. You can make 60:9 or 9:60 for TikTok, Instagram. You have quality up to 1080p and the latest model VidMuse 2.0. We upload our track and now we're ready. We just hit create. VidMuse analyzes our prompt, analyzes our music, giving us different variation styles for the music video. In the generation process, VidMuse asking us different questions like this one. This is the track, the genre, the vocals, the format, the screen time of the main character, or we want something customized. We just hit confirm. On the left you can see he created our main character here, a young creator with different outfits. He created the scenes like a neon night street, rooftop, underground car park tunnel. If we scroll down further, he produces the different scenes. We can see it here on the bottom. We have the visual designs with the character, props and the locations. We have a full storyboard of each scene of each clip for the music video. We can view them. High quality, as you can see here, very nice. We can customize things here if something is wrong, but all seems fine. We just proceed with the final video. On the top you can also see some audio details like where is the verse, the chorus, how many BPM, the duration, the lyrics, like a full studio in your web browser. And here we have the finished video. Let's look it in full screen.
Let's talk about it, put it on the street.
Let's skip to the middle. As you can see, our main character consistent over all scenes, cinematic quality, nice transitions between the clips, fitting to the audio, to the beat, very nice. Another example here, we wanted a music video for a rap track in 60:9 with a male main character with lip sync. Again, he asked us some questions like which direction, which style, artist walks the night city as cinema director. We have the main character, we have the locations, and now we are in the video editor of VidMuse. Let's look at the final video.
Curtains rise and the word unfolds. Stories told in cinema gold. Scarface dreams with power and greed while Indiana runs, chasing the deep. Titanic sails where hearts collide. Endless questions these classics make. Cinema gold, it's more than a scene, a portal to places we've never been. Cold films live, their legends grow. Forever they shine, forever they glow.
As you can see, the lip sync is on point in each scene. The main character consistent over all clips. We have the locations generated before. We have everything here, cinematic quality, just awesome. Another cool feature is the product ads feature. We just upload our desired product. In our case, we upload a black headset. We give it the name Hatsy, a small description, now a prompt of a realistic product advertisement for black wireless headphones. We want the durations 30 seconds, we want a 16:9 and we just hit enter. Now we have different styles for the advertisement type, like a UGC, unboxing or viral demo. Let's choose unboxing. And now you can see he generated a character, a fitting prop like the unboxing packaging, a unboxing desk. We can choose now the creative images like a mailer, open. We just hit continue and here is the final result.
Wait. Okay, this is way nicer in person. Oh, okay. This hits different.
And as you can see, it's just perfect. Unboxing from the beginning to the end, showing the product in the best way, all automatically. We had to do nothing here, just uploading an image and the text, and VidMuse just nail it. If you liked VidMuse, just click the link in the description to get some free credits. See you in the next one.